I hold the cross up as a symbol of my freedom. Chains of slavery and captivation and bondage, watch it delete them. His love reached out to this shrouded poor excuse of a man. He scanned my mind, read my heart, diagnosed cancerous sin pot. Option 2, one was cruel, the other was his choice. He knew what was needed to be done, even if I was the only one. He would've did it, he was committed to be born, sworn to live this life, my Christ walked this earth. He bore my sins, transgressions buried, iniquities purged, weight of this world no longer carried, this man was buried. And when he rose, I rose, witnessing the gift of salvation. He handed salvation, I embrace salvation. What do you see when you gaze upon the cross? Do you see a bridge of redemption for the lost? Can you fathom the price? Can you comprehend the cost?